All right, welcome back. So today, drywall day. Just before I get started on that, I've got to put one nailing plate or a 2x4 up there, something to screw the drywall to on that end. Other than that, I'm going to get ready to put drywall up here. I'm working by myself today, full-size sheets. I'm going to be using kind of a cheater board. You'll see how that works, just to help hold the drywall up for me while I'm working. But let's start with getting that a 2x4 up there, so I got something to screw on to. Okay, the other thing I have to do is I need to mark on the wall the location where these lights are approximately. So once I get the drywall up, I can just go around with the hole saw and put the holes in. So I need to get those measured out and marked on the wall here. Okay, well, drywall complete. We've got all the holes cut for the lights and all the wires pulled down for those. I do a little patch over there. I'll have to do a little more patching right there. This a seam here where the ceiling meets the wall, I'm actually not going to mud that. I'm going to put trim up along the top, so I don't need to worry about mudding that. I just need to worry about doing all the seams here. So next up is mud, which I like to do about as much as drywall, which is not that much. But you know what? This turned out pretty good. I'm not really a drywaller. It's probably one of my least fun things to do, and probably one of the things I'm not particularly good at, but I'm pretty happy with it. All right, let's get some mud on the walls, on the ceiling here, and I've got to do a lot of just patching here on the walls, also nail holes and stuff. So we'll get the mudding done, and we're gonna be ready for paint here. All right, I've got the mudding done. I ended up not getting footage of me doing the ceiling up there. It was pretty much a nightmare. It's literally the thing I hate worst about doing housework is drywall mud. In addition to that, it was really important that I got a smooth finish up here. None of the walls in here have any texture to them. They're just a smooth finish. So I had to do the same up on the ceiling. So it took me a long time. I ended up doing 3 coats. I had to do a lot of sanding and sponging to get it nice and smooth, but the end result is really good. It turned out super smooth all across the ceiling. So we are ready for paint finally. Don't mind the mess. I had a whole ton of holes to fill in the wall here. That's what you get when you have a teenage daughter in a house. There was pretty much holes everywhere. So this is just residue from me sponging the walls off. But we're ready for paint. I gotta prime the ceiling here first, and then we'll get some paint up on the ceiling. Still a question on colors. I'm gonna put a couple polls up on YouTube and one on my Instagram about colors. I'm still leaning black on the ceiling, maybe a gray on the walls, but put a poll out. We'll see what people think. Anyway, so paint's coming up next, so stay tuned for that episode. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a good day.